Okay students, in this tutorial video we are going to show you how to join Shomu's Biology online live class from your mobile application. Okay, so remember I told you, like, we provided you the link to download Shomu's Biology app. So search the Shomu's Biology app in your mobile phone, and remember you can only join our online class if you have Android device. If you have iPhone device, then you need to join using desktop or laptop. Okay, so here we are. So normally, in normal situations you may have login, but in this case we haven't. So let me put the number, our office number, and a verification OTP will come. We'll wait for the OTP to arrive. It'll take, okay, so copy OTP and paste it and verify. Once it's verified, you are logged in. So normally if you are logged in, that's fine. If you are not, then this is the way to log in. So once you log in, you can see the live class. Right now there is a live class going on, and if you want to join that live class, simply click join now. Right here in this side, simply click this join now button. Right, if there is no class live, for example, we generally will have class from 6:45 p.m. in Tuesdays and Wednesdays. So if you arrive at 6:30 p.m., you will see the upcoming live classes. So you'll click that and it will hold you till the moment the class is live. Okay, then it will automatically add you to the live class. But in this case, you are logging in, for example, after 6:45 p.m. So in that case, it will show you that the class is live. Click join now and it will take you to the live class. So right now you can see that the live class is going on. So I'm going to just click the live class here. Okay, I've changed the class because you cannot record the classes, as well as you cannot take a screenshot of that. It's protected, it's under protected view. So I'll just click on the test demo class here to show you how the class will look like, and it will take some time depending upon your internet speed to log in. And you can see it takes almost 2-3 seconds to log in because of the good internet connection. If you have little weak internet connection, it may take 15-20 seconds to log in to this page. And whatever thing we will do, for example, if I change the slides, you are going to see the changing of the slides. Okay, and if I write anything here, here in this board, for example, let me take a color here to show you. If I write anything, you're going to see that, okay, in the whiteboard in this case. Okay, and you're also going to see me here in this right hand corner, here in this some point here. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. And one more thing is that when you have any doubt during the class, how to approach and ask for the doubts, right? So simply do one thing, simply tap the screen once and you're going to see 3 different icons. A chat icon, you can see that, let me show you. A chat icon, a disconnect icon, and a hand icon. The hand icon is of no use. Do not use the hand icon, it's not required in our case. The only options that we use either is this chat or this disconnect. If you want to leave the class, you click on this disconnect button, it will be disconnected. And if you want to ask any question, just click this message icon and here you can type your query. Okay, so for example, I write, I have this ... question. Okay, so whatever thing you can write and then click done, and after that there will be an arrow. So just click on this arrow and it will be sent. Okay, you can see that it's already sent, right? And then to get out of this chat option, just click this cross and it will be out of the site and you can see the class in a proper way. And again, if you want to type anything, you can just click on the chat and the chat will be visible and the previous chat will also be visible. I'll reply these questions verbally most of the time. Okay, but remember that I'll reply to the questions which are mostly what I can say is that on topic, not off topic. If you ask something which is not related to the topic that we have discussed, in that case I may not always attain it, but if it's related to the topic, obviously I'll answer. I must answer. And if you want to get out of this class, you just simply click this red disconnector and it says, do you want to exit this session? You click cancel if you accidentally press it. And if you really want to get out of the class, just click OK and you will be out of the class very fast. You can see that you are already out of the class now. Now once you are out of the class, you can still rejoin the class. You can still click this join now button and you are still be added to the class. Okay, see, and the class can progress and everything will work according to the plan, like that. Okay, and if you want to get out again. This other hand, the hand option is the raising of hand actually. Raising of hand, you can put okay. So raising of hand means it will provide a sound notification to me, and which is not always a good sign, because if you put a sound notification, it's going to come because I'm going to talk using the microphone, which is going to catch that sound. So you are going to receive that sound in the recording, and this sound can irritate, and it will definitely irritate all of us. So I always want to turn off this hand sign if I can. Otherwise, please do not use this sign. If you have any query, you can simply type it in the chat box. But remember, once you're out of this class once, then your old chat will be gone. So make sure about this. Okay. So that's how easy it is. Let me get out of it. Okay. That's how easy it is. Okay. And then again, you can see you are now again into the dashboard. And let's say you want to join again, then click live again, and it will again take you to the live session. And again want to get out, you can say okay, and you will be out of it. So that means, you know, if you are in a class and if you accidentally log out of the class, still you have a chance to log in. Okay, so all these facilities are there. Okay, I believe it will help you. Thank you.